Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare IELTS writing at home. First, understand the test's two tasks. Task 1, which is a report or letter, and Task 2, an essay. Familiarize yourself with the 4 marking criteria: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. It's crucial to allocate your time wisely, aiming for 20 minutes on Task 1 and 40 minutes on Task 2 to ensure completion. For Task 1, begin by carefully analyzing the prompt, whether it's visual data like a graph or a letter. Identify the main features and overall trends you need to describe, avoiding unnecessary detail. Structure your response with an introduction, overview, and detailed paragraphs. Consistent practice within the 20-minute time limit will significantly improve your speed and accuracy. Task 2 requires a well-structured essay. Start by brainstorming ideas and creating a clear outline, including an introduction, 2 or 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each body paragraph should focus on one main idea, supported by relevant examples and explanations. Aim for a word count of at least 250 words, ensuring your arguments are coherent and persuasive. Consistent practice is key. Write regularly under timed conditions to build speed and stamina. After writing, meticulously review your work for grammatical errors, vocabulary choices, and overall coherence. Self-correction is a powerful learning tool. Consider using a smart speaker for listening practice or dictation exercises to further enhance your home study environment. Check the description for a link to a great smart speaker and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.